Ever tried to run a business in Nigeria and wondered if there was a magic bullet for your accounting? You've probably heard of QuickBooks, right? That ubiquitous software everyone swears by. But here's the kicker. Does it actually work here? In Nigeria, with our unique business landscape, our specific regulations, our, well, let's be honest, our sometimes chaotic economic reality. Think about it. We've got the bustling markets of Onitsha, the tech hubs of Lagos, the agricultural industries scattered across the nation, each with its own set of challenges, its own way of doing business. Can a software designed for, let's face it, a predominantly Western market, really adapt to the nuances of running a Nigerian business? You see, it's not just about tracking income and expenses. It's about navigating the complexities of VAT, dealing with the specific requirements of the Corporate Affairs Commission, understanding the local tax laws that can change faster than you can say, e-commerce. It's about managing transactions in Naira, dealing with fluctuating exchange rates, and understanding the specific needs of your industry, whether you're a small retailer in a local market or a tech startup aiming for global expansion. Let's be real, the idea of having a streamlined accounting system is incredibly appealing. Imagine, no more spreadsheets filled with errors, no more scrambling to reconcile bank statements, no more late nights trying to figure out your tax obligations. Just clear, concise, and accurate financial data at your fingertips. But the question remains, is that dream a reality with QuickBooks in Nigeria? We need to unpack this. We need to look beyond the slick marketing and the promises of efficiency. We need to delve into the nitty-gritty details of how QuickBooks actually functions in the Nigerian context. First off, let's talk about the basics. Yes, you can technically install QuickBooks in Nigeria. You can download the software, set up an account, and start entering your transactions. But that's where the simplicity ends. The real challenge lies in customization. QuickBooks, in its standard form, is designed for businesses operating under U.S. Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, GAAP. That's a world away from the Nigerian Financial Reporting Standards, NFRS. This means you'll likely need to spend a significant amount of time and effort customizing the software to fit your specific needs. Think about VAT. In Nigeria, VAT is a crucial part of our tax system. You need to be able to accurately track and calculate VAT on your sales and purchases. Can QuickBooks handle that seamlessly? The answer is, it depends. You may need to rely on third-party plugins or manual adjustments, which can increase the risk of errors and inconsistencies. Then there's payroll. Nigerian payroll is a beast of its own. You have PAYE, pension contributions, National Housing Fund deductions, and a whole host of other complexities. Can QuickBooks manage all of that accurately? Again, you'll likely need to rely on workarounds or external tools. And what about local bank integrations? Seamless bank feeds are a cornerstone of modern accounting software. But in Nigeria, connecting your bank accounts to QuickBooks can be challenging. Many local banks don't offer direct integrations, forcing you to manually import transactions or rely on third-party services, adding another layer of complexity. Let's not forget the internet. In a country where internet connectivity can be unreliable, relying on cloud-based software can be risky. What happens when your internet goes down in the middle of a crucial financial transaction? How do you access your data? How do you ensure business continuity? And then there's support. If you run into problems, can you get reliable local support? QuickBooks official support channels may not be tailored to the Nigerian market. You might have to rely on online forums, local consultants, or trial and error, which can be time-consuming and frustrating. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are some positives. For businesses that are willing to invest the time and effort in customization, QuickBooks can offer a robust and comprehensive accounting solution. The software's core functionality is powerful, and with the right setup, you can streamline your financial processes. There are also local consultants and developers who specialize in adapting QuickBooks to the Nigerian market. They can help you customize the software, integrate it with local systems, and provide ongoing support. But this comes at a cost. You'll need to factor in the cost of these services when evaluating the overall value proposition of QuickBooks. And let's not forget the growing number of Nigerian businesses adopting international standards and practices. For these businesses, QuickBooks' global recognition and features can be a significant advantage. It can help them establish credibility with international partners and investors. So what's the verdict? Does QuickBooks work in Nigeria? The answer, as with most things in life, is nuanced. It's not a simple yes or no. It can work, but it requires significant customization, a willingness to navigate potential challenges, and potentially the investment in local expertise. For some businesses, the benefits of using a globally recognized software like QuickBooks outweigh the challenges. For others, local accounting solutions that are specifically designed for the Nigerian market might be a better fit. It's crucial to do your research, assess your specific needs, and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Talk to other businesses in your industry, consult with local accountants, and explore all your options. Don't just jump on the bandwagon because everyone else is doing it. Take the time to understand the implications, the costs, and the potential pitfalls. Ultimately, the best accounting solution for your business is the one that meets your specific needs, helps you manage your finances efficiently, and enables you to achieve your business goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.